What are you doing?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Little black, hang on. Oh gosh.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
You like getting baths? No. Why not?
Oh god.
His name is John C.
Oh my god.
Be careful, buddy.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Hey, what's up?
Hi. Can I touch you? Oh, okay.
Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
It's official. Oh.
Excuse me, sir.
Not alone. Advocacy groups say that nationwide more than 700...
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop. Stop!
Es muy temprano para que empieces a fregar conmigo, Rosy. Todo el pinche de ayer me tuviste cagando.
Tucker, place.
Unbelievable. No.
Where did you get that?
Thank you, no.
Careful.
Okay.
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my god!
Can you read this? Oh my god!
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
What? What is going on?
No. No.
Tut-tut.
What? What is going on?
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Raggy! Stop!
Oh, hello.
Oh, good boy. You gonna miss chomping the people?
No. You're evil. 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 Oh!
Hey. Hey.
Hey. So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do.
Oh! Hi. Hi. What are you doing?
I told you it was a little kitty. I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep it?
He's gonna drown himself.
That's right.
Bentley, where are you? Come here. Bentley.
It's okay. I know. I know.
My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you!
Kona, really?
Get it off the couch.
Take it out.
Now. Ouch!
Did you steal my phone? Did you?
Who did?
Bad dog.
Huh? You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
Chucky.
Damn it, Chucky!
Hey, Fatso! Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew your fat ass would.
She ain't moving.
No, she is not.
No, you jumped over these double baby shoes.
My new best friend. Oh, hello. Hello.
You are a fox. Funky.
Kitty, kitty. Oh, you're nice, kitty.
Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
No! No! Hey! Hey!
Marley, what do you think you're doing? No.
Let me in. Marshmallow. Get you a big camera.
Okay, ow.
Call USA Hearing Clinics to schedule your consultation with one of our agents.
Come on. She's got to sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
Go.
Yeah, you want pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want tap? Bing.
Program Thing has chosen me. He has chosen me. Oh my god.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
What are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magno!
Is it time for smelling salts?
You have 2 cookies, and I don't have any.
Good boy, Kenneth. ¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me?
What's that? What's that?
You gonna... Oh no! No! Oh, he's not happy.
What's that?
Very handsome.
What are you doing?
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Think I like this little life.
Dinner time.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad.
I should still get some.
No, you're not getting dinner.
I demand some.
You was bad.
It ain't like your Mother Teresa.
So?
Dinner time.
No, you're not getting dinner. You was bad.
I should still get some.
No, you're not getting dinner.
I demand some.
You was bad.
It ain't like your Mother Teresa.
So?
Think I like this little life.
Gentle.
Swiffer.
Push it out. Keep going. Go pick up the bracelet. That's it. Just.
Ты где принесла? Спасибо.
Quit it. You're driving me nuts.
Don't do that. So chunky. I'm so sorry.
Luffy, stay. Stay.
Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning.
Spicy. Hey, spicy.
Are you smiling? Itzy! Itzy, smiling girl! Are you happy? Show me your smile.
Smile, Bill. Smile.
3, 2, 1.
Jeez. Thank you. Thank you for the smile.
That's a cute smile. Paul, there's your smile.
Mercedes, show everyone how you smile.
All right, let me get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
And it did it?
Oi.
God.